Alright, so we're going to cut Robert's hair. And we're going to do the Christopher haircut as quickly as possible because I don't have time to deal with it. But I'm going to show you what I'd do if you've got hair like this. It's got what I call old man pubic hair. He is probably the most challenging haircut because he's had hair transplants. So there's scars that go around his head. So you have to work around that. And it just isn't the hair that it used to be. And we could cut it down to the gray and see what the gray looks like. We just have to see. See what you're inspired to do. But I'll start with the back. Could start with the perimeter or the interior. I have to make a choice. Perimeter. Now that I know my perimeter, I'm going to see what the interior can do. I can angle that so I don't take too much hair out. If you go against the growth, if it grows this way, you've got to go against it to make it blend, otherwise it doesn't work. I don't want to lose his entire neckline because it goes, if I square it off it'll be ugly. And he used to be able to have a pretty strong W, so I'm going to create one. We have the issue of that he's got a receding hairline and hair transplants. So, I want to leave all that hair, I don't want to take that out. But I've got a clump and a clump and a, you know. What I don't want to do is comb all that forward and then cut it off, because then when you go back there will be nothing. So just let it go where it goes and then clean it up. And he's got this. Oh, wouldn't that be so cute? Pull this all up to the top. Want any of that to be into it. And I'm going to go. Gone, 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 gone. Yes, my sins are gone. I shall live eternally. Praise God. His hair is G-O-N-E gone.
Where's that from?
Church.